I knew it.
What?
I knew it from the first time that I
What?
met you.
That I would fall in love with you.
No. Ew.
You fucking sicko. Why would you come up with that conclusion?
Yeah, why? Why do you always think that when I ask you?
You
I thought you were going to hit me or hug me then. I thought it was the hit. I
Yeah.
smell BO. It's coming from you.
Go home.
Go home.
Ow.
It's dark.
Now zoom in on this dead mouse right here.
It looks like Blair Witch or something. The light doesn't work very well.
I get to drive in the dark. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
God.
I need some booze. Hi, Charlie. Charlie.
I'm sorry, it's not Charlie, it's Sparky.
Charlie. Hi,
Sparkus.
Charlie.
His name is not Charlie.
It is now. Hi, Charlie. Does he like scratches? Does he like scratches?
Often.
Hi, Charlie.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Charlie. Aw, don't torture him.
Oh. He was asleep and I woke him up. I felt like a murderer. Max!
Putty. Hi, Putty.
Hi, Chloe!
Someone farted.
Chloe!